There were over 400 private jets used to fly people in to attend the United Nations Climate Conference in Egypt. So over 30,000 people were registered to attend. This is what's being referred to as the COP27 Climate Conference. Some are saying that it's hypocritical for people who are that concerned about the climate to fly in on over 400 private jets to attend the event. However, it was actually necessary for them to have private jets in order to pick up the shipments of snow leopard furs, elephant ivory, and baby seal skins.